Hello everyone, welcome to the series of lectures on database systems. In previous video we discussed about data manipulation languages, and we actually discussed the insert into command for adding data into the table. So we discussed several scenarios. So in this video we will just run the commands that we discussed in the previous video. So we will be running a live SQL facility to run the commands. So if you don't know how to use this live SQL utility of by Oracle, so there is a link on the card. You can click on this link and to understand more about how to use this live SQL utility. So in this video we will not discuss about this live SQL utility by Oracle. We will just use this to run the commands. So first we have this create employee table command. So we will just take this command and then we paste it here, and we will run this command to create the table. So we just click the run, and then it says that the table has been created. So we have the first case for the insert. We can just insert. So we take this command and paste it here, and then we select this command and run this command. So this says that the rows is added, and then we have another row that we can run here. So we just put the command from here, we paste it here, and then this is also actually the command that will run successfully and insert the row to the table. So this says that the row has been added, and then we have another command with the default keyword. So actually we want to insert the default values. So for the salary and the gender column, we have the default values, and for the designation we are providing the null. So we run this command again, and this says that the row has been added, and then we have the scenario for the default value but without actually any default keyword. So this command is actually the same as the previous one. We can run this command, and then this says that the row has been added. Note that to run the individual command, we just select the command and then press the run. Otherwise, if we don't select any, then all the commands will start running from the line number 1. And because the table has been already created, so it will say that the table exists. And then we have this primary key violation. So actually this row should not be inserted. So it should report that there is a violation of the primary key. So let's see how. We run this command, and then this says that there is a violation of the primary key, and then it says that the unique constraint, and the name of the constraint is actually the employee EMP So this is violated, and so the data cannot be inserted. So of course, because there is already the value for the E004 for the EMP ID, so the next row with the E004 cannot be inserted for the EMP ID value. So we can check another command again. So we have this violation for the domain. So it should also not be inserted. So let's check. So we want to run this query, and again this shows that there is a violation of the check constraint, and the check constraint name is employee gender domain, and this has been violated because it only allows the value f and m as shown here in this check constraint, So this has been violated and the database does not allow to insert this row either. So we have another command, and this is the violation of the salary constraint. And then we have the constraint on the salary, and there is upper limit. The maximum salary can only be 95,000, and we are trying actually to insert 95,001. So if we run this command, so again there is a violation of the check constraint here, and the name of the constraint is employee max salary. So because 95,001 is more than 95,000, so this check constraint does not allow to insert the row. We have another and final query, that is the violation of the not null constraint. So we can see, so actually we can run this query by selecting it and then run button. So again this says that cannot insert null into employee last name. So actually the last name column does not allow to insert null into this, because it has the constraint of not null here. So you see the last name says that it cannot be null. So actually null cannot be assigned. And why there is a null? Because we do not provide any value for the last name here in the column. So not providing the value defaults to null. If we don't provide any value for the column, then the database assumes that it is null, and null actually cannot be inserted for the last name because the last name has the constraint of not null. So we just have tested these examples, and we have understood this insert query. So thank you for watching, and please keep watching.